Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat bagel full guide. Preheat your oven to 230 C and gather oats, bread flour, water, yeast, salt, and a touch of sweetener. Combine warm water and yeast, then mix with flour and oats until a soft dough forms. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until elastic, shape into rings, and let rise until puffy and nearly doubled. Gathering the right ingredients and tools makes everything easier and more fun. Use 3 cups bread flour, 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup warm water, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 2 teaspoons salt. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a wooden spoon or mixer with dough hook, a pot for boiling, and a baking sheet lined with parchment. Keep an oven mitt handy for safety. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and hands-on tips. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a witty little upgrade for your kitchen runner marathons, and yes, it pairs oddly well with baking comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals where that item is featured. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently deflate and divide the dough into 6 pieces, shaping each into a tight ball, then form rings by poking the center and stretching evenly. Let shaped bagels rest for 10 minutes while you heat a wide pot of water and add a tablespoon of sugar. Boil each bagel 60 seconds per side, then transfer to a parchment-lined sheet and bake at 230 C for 15 to 18 minutes until golden and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.